You're welcome to Applied English Language. This is Nehemiah, the Applied English Language tutor. We're going to be looking at the difference. Between English language, or the word pure English language, and applied English language. All right, the difference between the word pure English language and applied English language. First of all, you need to know that the history or the origin of English language originated in England, and approximately about 1.5 billion individuals or people speak English language today, which make English language a globally accepted and most spoken language. Now, we need to know that English as a subject, English language as a subject is divided into two disciplines or two branches. Now, the first branch is the pure English language, and the other part is the applied English language. The definition of these, or the difference between the pure English language and the applied English language, is illustrative. Look at this. Pure English language is theoretical. Applied English language is practical. All right. Now, what do you mean by pure English language is theoretical? The concentration or the attention, the focus of pure English language is on the rules, the structure, the principle that governs the use of the English language. I take that again. What I mean by the pure English language is theoretical is simply that the pure English language concentrate, pay attention to. The pure English language focus on the rules, the structure, and the principle in English language. All this I've said, the rules, the structure, and the principle. All I've said is called grammar. These rules, structure, and principle is known as grammar. All right. Now, having said that, the applied English language, which is this TV or this channel that you're in, is all about applied English language. It's practical. Is the use of the rules, of the structure, of the principles that is gotten from the pure English language to solve real life problem. The use of the theoretical aspect of English language to solve real life problem. So this is used to solve and to improve. It's used to solve and to improve our communication. It's used to solve and improve our communication and our writing. Now, practical or applied English language is used to solve and improve our communication and writing efficiency. Now, if you have noticed the difference between the two, we move to the linguistic difference, or we want to categorize or differentiate the two of those on the board linguistically. What do we mean by that? In linguistics, you need to know that this aspect of pure English language is called pure linguistic. So we have pure linguistic. And then this aspect you should know should be called applied linguistic. All right, pure linguistic, applied linguistic. What do I mean by pure linguistic? I will need to use this side of the board. Now, at this side of the board, in pure linguistic, it's a scientific and theoretical study of the structure and the rules that govern the language English. It's the scientific study of the structure, a scientific study, theoretical study of the structure and the rules that govern English language. Let me put it in the way you're going to write it in your notes if you're writing down. This is simply defined as the scientific, theoretical study of the rules and structure that governs English language. All right, the areas they concentrate on, okay, for this one, practical linguistic, is the application of the knowledge of pure linguistic into solving real-life problems of communication and writing. All right, now, if you want to talk about areas of concentration of pure linguistic, you talk about the sound. When you talk about the sound, we're talking about the phonology, which is concerned with the sound, phonology. We'll talk about the morphology, which is the word structure. Which is the word structure. We talk about the syntax, which is the sentence structure. All right? Morphology, word structure, syntax, the sentence structure. We'll talk about the semantics. Let's talk about the meaning of words. Now, under the areas of concentration or attention for the applied English language, what they focus on is the use, the application. What they focus on is the methodology of teaching this language, and also focus on the methodology of application of the English language. They also focus on the language policy. I hope you're taking that down in your notes. Number one is that they focus on the methodology of application. Number two is that they focus on the methodology of teaching the language and also of speaking the language. Number three, whichever in your notes, is that they also pay attention to the policy of the language. All right? Now, having done this video or this class will be able to differentiate for you, or have been able to differentiate for you, the difference between the pure English language and the applied English language. Thank you very much for watching. This is all we've got for you. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.